Fans of Google's budget-friendly A series should mark their calendars because the tech giant has officially teased the launch of Pixel 10a. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The Pixel 9a debuted in March 2025, and now its successor, the Pixel 10a, will be launched on February 18, 2026, according to a small 15-short trailer. While Google hasn't said anything about the pricing, but Google Store subscribers will be able to get an exclusive offer only if they sign up for it by 1:29 p.m. IST on February 13th. This offer can be applied with the Pixel 10a purchase to unlock a benefit for a future order. In easy words, the early birds will get a discount. Simple. Design-wise, the Google Pixel 10a will keep things the 9a way. The new phone will have a familiar Pixel look, complete with a flat dual-camera setup tucked inside a horizontal pill-shaped camera bar, a single LED flash, and a classic-centered Google logo on the back. On the front, there will be thicker bezels and a center-aligned hole-punch camera, very much in line with the Pixel 9a's vibe. And for those who want some color, the Pixel 10a will be launched in blue shade, but the color ranges can also include Obsidian, Berry, Fog, and Lavender. Google has yet to announce how much the Pixel 10a will cost, but one leak suggests that the pricing will remain unchanged in some regions, with options for 128GB and 256GB of storage. And if you're still thinking about the discount, Google's teaser has a link to sign up for emails to receive an exclusive offer on the Pixel 10a. Good luck! With familiar design, fresh colors, a mystery pricing with an offer, the budget-friendly Google users are up for a treat. Have you signed up yet? Tell us in the comments, like and share the video, subscribe to GadInsider, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.